I'm Eric Matei from MateiRealty.ca. Welcome to 372 Queens Drive here in Toronto. It's a spacious freehold home with no maintenance fees, and you're going to want to see the layout and size of this home. Welcome home. You've got a very large foyer here with the double mirrored closet, and there's a powder room on this level for your guests. The living room and dining room are an open concept design. We've got a double French door entrance here that separates it from the foyer of the home, hardwood floors, and they overlook the backyard as well. The kitchen at this beautiful home is very large. It's a family-sized kitchen with stone counters, stainless steel appliances, and it overlooks this very large breakfast area that walks out over to the backyard. If you love to focus on family time over meals, this is ideal. It's exceptionally large for this style of home. The backyard of this home has a beautiful deck with built-in storage options as well. It's just been refinished, which shows very well. You've got privacy fencing and large mature trees that give you lots of comfort when you're entertaining in the backyard. It's ideal for private entertaining. It's a split staircase design on the upper level here that leads to the family room. This is an exceptional part of this home because it's an open air family room. It's got engineered hardwood floors, beautiful double windows with tons of south-facing natural light, and a gas fireplace. It's an excellent option for additional living space or a potential office, or as I said, an additional bedroom if you so require. This is a huge primary suite in this home. You've got two windows overlooking the backyard, a double closet, mirrored closet, a full walk-in closet, and a full 4-piece ensuite bath. Engineered flooring. It's a giant primary suite. Really, you have to see it to believe it. This home also offers a finished lower level with high ceilings, a games room, a rec room, there's a utility room, and believe it or not, an additional bedroom with its own full bathroom. Thank you for taking this tour with us of 372 Queens Drive. From the beautiful entranceway that's manicured and landscaped right through that main floor design and the split level second staircase that gives you options for additional living or bedroom areas, plus a finished basement, all in a great location, just steps to highway access, schools, shopping, and so much more that Toronto has to offer, including the Up Express. What's left to do? Come and have a look at this fantastic home. You can reach us at 416-557-7653. It's 416-557-SOLD, or info@MateiRealty.ca, or visit this home at MateiRealty.ca. I'm Eric Matei. Thank you once again. Have a great day.